Hi guys, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese pan-seared dumplings. It's so tasty, and in Japan they call it gyoza. They're eating the same thing here. So let me show you how to make it. So let's start to fry. Let's heat up the pan and we add some oil. We brush them all over dumplings. We keep a medium-low heat and let it stew for about 3 minutes. Now let's see, the bottom is golden brown. We start to add some water. Yeah, here we go. We add some water from a side. 1/3 of the level to the dumplings. We on the heat to we make a medium heat here. Let it steam from up, and we cover for another 3 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, we add some spring onions here. Let's try out the dumplings. Here I made the sweet red bean sauce. Here we go. Wow. Even without, the sauce is so delicious. Here we go. This is the pan-seared Chinese dumplings. It's so amazing tasty and it's not that hard. Once you follow the steps, you try 1-2 times, you can make a perfect pan-seared dumplings like in a restaurant. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.